Hi, my name is Barb Hush. I work at the Door County Library at the Forestville branch in Forestville, Wisconsin. And I would like to show you today something that your kids can make for Thanksgiving. It's a real simple, easy paper craft that you probably have everything you need to make this at your home. So here we go. They are turkey shapes. If you notice, this one is a rectangle. You just take a piece of brown paper or cardboard and you cut the rectangle shape out for the face, and you have the colorful feathers and the beak and the googly eyes, and I believe this is called a wattle. Turkeys have those. And then this one is a circle shape, and you need this exact same things, feathers, and I like cutting out the feathers in 5 different colors. I think that really makes a pretty project. So you need feathers, the beak, the wattle, and the eyes for both of these. And then I have one more turkey shape. This guy is a little triangle. And I just think they're really cute. There they all are. Okay. So that would be fun for your kids to make, and I think they would enjoy it. So happy Thanksgiving, everybody. Have fun crafting.